So hi guys, welcome back. We are currently making our Christmas pudding. Well, my little team has gone this morning and it's just me in the kitchen, and I'm going to show you just what to do, which isn't too complicated. It's literally just putting them in some steamers and then boiling them. So here I have my steamers and my pudding ready to go. Reveal the pudding. So delicious, and it smells so good. You almost want to face plant it. Let's have a look at the consistency of it as well. And if you need to add some more liquid to it, some of that stout that we saw last night, you can. Or otherwise, it just needs to be a good dropping consistency, which it is, which is perfect, which means we don't need to add anything more to it. First things first, we've got the butter here. So what we are going to do is actually just grease the bases of our steamers. So here we have some rolled up baking paper, and we are just going to lightly grease my steamers. So here you go, here is my lightly greased steamers already. Now the next thing is I'm going to actually line them with baking paper now. So here is my lined steamers, and here is my pudding, and I'm going to divide this pudding into these two steamers. I've divided all of the pudding between the two steamers, and we are ready now to put them into my two pots that are half filled with water. And we are going to steam them now for 8 hours. It's a bit of a task to make sure you can set aside that many hours. I know it's a bit hard, so it's good if you can work from home, or if you've got a weekend or something like that you can do them. Now I've filled them with the pudding, and I'm just going to push all this over a little bit, cover it up. So this also prevents extra moisture from getting into the pudding and soaking them, so you don't want them to be soaked. That's why you have to keep a really close eye on them too, so that the water doesn't boil up and go into the pudding, which shouldn't really. That's if you have a good steamer with a good secure lid, that shouldn't happen, but you just really need to be careful for two things. One, that they don't boil dry, and two, that they don't boil up and water flows into them. So make sure you secure the lids onto them. I've screwed on the lids now, so you should be able to just pick them up and put them securely into your pots that you've prepared, and you fill them with some water about halfway up the side. And here's my second one. You might just need to add a little bit more water to them. I might add a little bit more water to this one here. All right, and then you're ready to put them on the stove. So here they are, ready to go, all ready. Just make sure you want a really firm, tight lid, so you minimize all of the water that's going to be evaporated out of there, if you noticed. Here we go, and now you just wait for it to boil, and then you just turn it down for a light steam, and you just do that for 8 hours. And there you have it, guys. That's your Christmas pudding steaming, and you're ready to go. And if you saw yesterday part 1 where we were making the pudding, Ella really didn't like the she's not really a fan of the smell of alcohol and stuff, like she's like, bleh. But the smell of the richness of the beautiful raisins and fruit, and the citrus through it is so delicious, all mixed together. You just want to go. Christmas puddings are one of my favorite things. Last year was the first year actually in a very long time that I didn't get a chance to make a Christmas pudding, and it was regret. So we're back at it, and this is one of my all-time favorite recipes that I picked up when I was living in England about 17 years ago. So it's tried and it's proven and it's delicious, and there's never ever any left. You'll just want to keep making them. It's really good.